Daniel, did you get the lasagna off the stove?
Did you dig this hole? Hmm?
Oh,
Reese.
Reese!
Hey.
It's been a minute, but he back at it. Quando, you back at it, ain't you?
The truth.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
What the fuck, Tully? Are you fucking kidding me?
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
Was it good?
What did you do? Was you doing or wasn't here?
What?